So this is our no-dig area where we're actually going to grow a lot of the chicken feed for next year. Things like corn, sunflower, soybeans. Last year we had some root crops in here, so this year we're just going to grow the chicken feed. And we've just allowed the chickens just to free range over this, scratch it all up, fertilise it. And now we're just going to re-dig the spoon drains and make raised beds out of it. So just a trick when you're doing your raised beds, just run a string line through so your rows go nice and straight. So we've dug our spoon drains. The next step is just to give it a rake and just level the tops of the beds off. So we have 3 stages of no-dig beds. We have the chickens free-ranging in the beds, fertilising all the beds, digging up the beds. It takes all the work out of it for me. Then after 6 months, all we do is we dig the spoon drains, level off the top of the beds with the rake, and then she's all ready for planting. So this entire area, it's about 100 square metres here, 10 by 10. It only took me 30 minutes to prep for this year's planting of corn and soybeans and sunflowers.
And that's all planted out and growing very nicely.